Bonjour, my name is Mercy and today video is about restoration. If you saw my videos, it's a video that I bought 4 pieces of art, and three of them they are messed up, but the big one is broken. I'm gonna restore them. I'm gonna restore things around the house and update of the porch. At the end too, I have a surprise for you, okay? I hope you like it, and if so, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. That's important. Comment all the time. A bientôt. This chicken needs a big transformation. It's updated, but you will see she will become a princess. This birdie is almost done. Explain what I did to her. Yes, I put some lace like a dress in this part. I put a cover with another lace to cover a part of her head and face. It's like a mantilla. And put some flowers and the necklace, pearl necklace, and a bracelet. And here I put like a ring, kind of, and the basket, you can see the basket has a lipstick, and I cover with some flowers, and the legs some stockings, and the other part with some lace, like if she's a ballerina. And the other part of her body I want to show you. Oops. This part was the tail. The tail was some fabric with some kind of cotton inside. I was painted, but was not great. And I decided to put some lace on it, and this is I covered the end with some, plastic flowers. And well, I put lace over here, a bow, and you can see the details of her. And over here, I put some more, in this part, more pearls. She is ready to go. She is ready to go to dance or whatever she wants to do. Well, I hope you like this chicken. I'm cleaning this part of this frame. You see is a very messy. It's so dark. I cleaned already this one over here, and you can see the difference. Oh my god. I cleaned this one, and I cleaned this one over here, and let's see. Now it's all clean. Look at it. Well, we are almost finished. This is the bad one. Over here in the top. This is one, but here is broken. And thanks to my husband, with an idea, you will see it, I can bring it back and can fully restore it. Has some mold over there, you can see it, but the most mold was in the glass. Thank you God, in the print was it's barely nothing. You will see it too. Enjoy. I'm gonna clean the glass. You can see over here is very dirty or mold. Look at it. I'm gonna do the restoration in here and in the frame. The glass is already clean, no mold, everything's fine. And now, okay, let's do this. Here, I did here and here, and now I'm gonna do this one. Let me show you how I doing it. Okay, I put here a little bit of glue because you can put the clay alone, because when it is dry, it's not gonna stick to the surface. You have to put some glue on it. And here is the restoration. Oh my God, I'm so happy with it. Look at her, all clean up and restored. This is an update of the porch. You remember that video that I paint, clean, and redo my porch a little bit? Well, this is part of it, and you can see we put some shrubs. This is some gardenias, and here some hydrangeas in the front. Now it's almost complete. You can see over here. Look at it. Oh my God, looks so pretty now. Later on, I'm gonna put some of this little one in the border, on the border over here, and you can see over here in the other part we do some stuff too. And here is a new roses. I don't know if from this one or this one, we will see. Bonjour everyone, here I have for you my appreciation giveaway, and you can see it's a lot of goodies. This is a smasher, I think it is. This transfers with French words, a little notebook with some roses, a bookmark that I made myself, 2 soaps from France, 2 shakers from France. They are Limoges and they are vintage, a brass candlestick and a doily. If you want to participate, the only thing that you have to do is leave your name in the comments, okay? And that's it. That's it. I need your names to put it out the little paper, okay? I'm gonna take 3 names, the winner and 2 first and second, just in case the winner don't respond, okay? Take care, a bientôt.